Hey everybody, it's Jenny and I am here today to share how I planned this week. This is the kit that I'm going to use, this Elf Adorable kit. I was also considering using this really cute one from Let's Plan It, but I decided to go with Elf for this week. I will link the shop up down below. Now I've been using my Passion Planner, you all know that, but I got my 2021 Plum Paper Planner in the mail. Say Plum Paper Planner three times fast. And it is great. I absolutely really love it. And so, newsflash, I wanted to try it out. So I pulled December 2021 to the front. I'm going to redate it and use it for this week. I had originally purchased this planner to take the place of my Crate paper planner and then use this one along with my Passion Planner. But now I'm kind of thinking this one might replace my Passion Planner since it is undated. I'm not sure yet. I feel like I've got the month of December to decide since I went ahead and used this one already. But I'm going to use this mini Christmas Happy Planner book to redate this planner, and I'm just going to cover up the dates. I'm going to leave the days of the week there. I have some in my stash that I've purchased from some Etsy sellers that I thought about using instead, but I decided to go with these just to cover the dates as opposed to the dates and the days of the week. I don't know if this is my favorite or whatever, but it doesn't matter because I'm feeling like this is kind of a trial process anyway. And if you guys are at all interested, I can sort of at some point explain my thought process on these planners, maybe when I share with you my 2021 planner lineup. How about that? All right, so first of all, I'm going to go through and add these Christmas countdown stickers. They're absolutely adorable. I love the art. I used a kit from this same seller last year with this art, and it's just really cute. Again, she's the same one that does the elf, so I can link those both up. I probably won't link the kits. I'll probably just link the shop, and I'll put it in the notes below. All right, so I'm going to cover this date, see that date box, because it's 2021, it's not 2020. So I'm going to cover it up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my decorative cluster just way further left than I would normally, because I wouldn't normally cover that week, but I'm going to this week. So I'm going to pair together that half box sticker and then this sticker that has elf on it, and then that cute little swag up at the top because I left a little bit of the year showing. I didn't really mean to, but I also don't really care that much because it can so easily be covered by a sticker. Now I also added Papa and then a little picture of Jovi as well because I wanted to add Papa, and that would make him 4 stickers. And so you guys know I prefer to go with 5. All right, so I'm going to test out my yellow highlighters to see which one goes better with Buddy's pants. And that way I can make sure I get the best match for the week. Again, you guys know I'm not really all that particular, but I figure if I have it, I might as well figure it out. Meaning I might as well find the best match since I've got them. And I never mind swatching colors like that. So I added that cute little shoe just as an icon, just a little accent. It doesn't do anything, obviously. And I'm going to still continue the same thing that I have been doing, which is sort of trying to alternate my stickers and my just handwritten directly on the paper plans. I am using the mild liner first, and you can see there's no bleed through, and there's not really any shadowing either. I'm pretty happy with it. I write really hard, and these Papermate flares, they're a little more marker. So if they were going to bleed through the paper, I would think you'd probably be able to see it, but you can't. And so I'm really excited about it. But I'll keep you posted and I'll keep watching to see if you see any bleed through, just in case any of you are not really particularly familiar with the Plum Paper Planner. So again, I mostly worry about alternating in the columns. So moving downward, but I also do try to do it horizontally as well if possible. So you can see I placed that green sticker where I wrote next to where I wrote directly on the paper as opposed to directly next to the sticker. It's not necessary. It wouldn't bother me per se if I did. It's just something that I keep on thinking about while I am planning. Now, I keep track of my son's work schedule in my planner, not because I need to take him or anything like that, but because I like to keep it in mind when I am thinking about dinner. And so not only my meal planning, but then also like when to make dinner. Like if I know he's going to be home at 7:30, I just wait so he can have hot dinner at home with us. Or if he's not going to be home till 9, we just eat whenever. So it just really helps me to have that in our planner because then I can see that directly just when I'm looking at the page each and every day. I'm going to try this week to use up most of those decorative half box stickers because there's plenty of solid ones and they're beautiful, and I'll be able to use them with other kits in the future. Now I'm going to use some of these Happy Planner stickers. You can see right here, I have created a sticker book on my own using some sticker paper sheets. I punched them and then I have put them into a book. This is the same size as a big Happy Planner. And then I've taken several of my books apart and been able to put those stickers right in here. Now I'm going to take this red Go For It sticker. It's not one that I would ordinarily use. So I'm going to use it as a background to the Papa sticker. I'm going to layer him right over the text, but keep the rest of that red peeking out just because it gives it another beautiful pop, and I do love the layering of the stickers. So I'm kind of looking to do the same thing down in the lower right hand corner as well, but I'm not trying to use red again. So really I'm kind of thinking that green might be a good option. But the green in this kit is kind of like a true Kelly green / grass green. So I'm trying to find the right one. And honestly, I'm not going to lie, I really sort of enjoy flipping through and looking for these stickers. I think you can probably understand because if you're watching here, you probably enjoy stickers as well. So just like seeing all the different ones that are in the book. I'm going to take this one. I put it at an angle, and then I placed Jovi on top of it, and so you can still see the little corner sticking out. I really am quite smitten with how that turned out. I think it is absolutely adorable. And so now you can't really see it right here because I've got that sticker sheet covering it up, but I put Buddy up in that left-hand corner, and then Jovi in the lower right-hand corner, and Papa in between. So you could make a visual triangle right there if you felt so inclined to do so. All right, so now I've got 2 different rolls of washi, and we're going to place that down right here. This first one has the little Christmas trees on it, and it's really cute. Again, it's one of those ones that you only get an opportunity to use a couple times a year, so I often have to put them on my Christmas cards and things like that. But now this one is like a yellow gingham / buffalo plaid. I think it's more of a gingham, honestly, that I'm going to layer with it because remember, this kit is mostly red and green and yellow. And so adding that little tiny bit of yellow Planner Society washi helps me use some of it, and I love it. So again, I'm going to stick to the same thing here with my washi as I'm going to do the visual triangle with that, really kind of sitting right alongside my decorative sticker clusters just because I needed a little something else. I don't know why, it just felt like it needed a little bit more than I had originally. And then, yeah, I like the washi and I might as well use it because quite frankly, it's not doing me any good sitting in a drawer. All right, so now I'm going to go back and add some icon stickers to my planner pages. I went ahead and wrote the activities down in the half boxes or directly on the page, but I also love to add the icons because they're as cute as could possibly be. I wouldn't normally use those big clocks, but I mean, I've got them and there was room, so I might as well, right? I mean, I might as well use what I've got. That's what I keep thinking because people keep making really adorable stuff. So I don't try to hoard any of the things that I have. So that is it for me this week. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the box below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you so much and make it a great day.